for sale. I think I need a change. Parting the car out. What's up, guys? What's going on? Welcome back to another episode. And this episode is featuring the E46 BMW M3, my 2004 E46 BMW M3. Some of you may or may not know I was doing basically an OEM plus build with this car, hence the reason why I did all of the upgrades that I'm going to mention that are going to be for sale. I don't know why I put up the quotation marks, but they are going to be for sale, you know, right after this video. So some of you may or may not know, this is my 17th E46, BMW E46 M3. So I know these cars pretty well, like the back of my hand. Any scars this here, I know them just like I know every single nut and bolt on a BMW E46 M3. And I've kind of gotten to the point where, you know, I've had these cars since they came out in 01. I got my first one in 2003. And, you know, it's just been up from there. And honestly, as much as I really dearly do hold the E46 M3 close to my heart, and I'm sure that I will buy another one back in the future, I think I need a change. You know, I think I need to try another platform. I think I need to, you know, play with something else, you know, dabble with something else and just kind of give a step away for a little while from this platform. Although I am selling the parts on this car, I am not exactly selling the entire car just yet. Not just yet. I'm not that far gone, but I am parting the car out. I am bringing it back to complete stock, and yeah, I'm gonna bring it back to complete stock. You know, I still have the manual transmission that I did a manual swap in this car, so it is still upgraded with manual transmission, you know, selector rod, shortened selector rod, carbon shifter, which is short shifter, which is extremely crisp. You know, upgraded flywheel, clutch, all those upgrades are still there. It's really just mainly the wheels. We're gonna focus on the wheels, the brakes, and the Ford 8.8 rear end in this video. So check it out. So I actually went out and I found a stock rear end that has 90,000 miles, which is extremely clean and it's pretty complete. So I'm gonna swap in that rear end, and as you can see, I got OEM 18 wheels. And because I'm going down to OEM 18-inch wheels, unfortunately, even if I wanted to keep these amazing Brembo brakes, I mean, they're 380 millimeter front and rear, and as much as I would like to keep them, they just wouldn't fit behind the 18s. So not exactly an option. So yeah, guys, so you know, I'm about to take the wheels off. These are OEM CSL squared wheels. They are original squared wheels, no reps. There are 4 rears, so you can see that extra concavity. You can see that beautiful extra concavity. And I also have brand new Michelin Pilot Sports that I literally just put on last week. No joke. And then in the rear, obviously, it's the same, you know, rear. You see that beautiful concavity. And these have beautiful, brand new tires as well that I put on 2 weeks ago. So they have brand new tires, front and rear. So let's get them off. So guys, if you guys actually work on your cars a lot, then you want gloves like these. These are 6 mil gloves, and I'm telling you this because I'm actually starting a company. I'm starting a glove company real soon, and I'll be supplying these. So if you're looking for, you know, durable gloves like this to do your mechanic work in, I'll be your plug soon. Alright guys, so that 8.8 rear end, that's gonna come out. But in this video, we're just gonna focus on pulling off the 19s. Like I said, guys, these tires are brand spanking new. Just put them on, like I said, a week ago. You even still got the little niblets, or whatever you want to call those little spikes. But yeah, those are brand new Michelin Pilot Sports. All the wheels are all flawless and original. So let's go get the others off. Brand spanking tires on here as well. As stated, guys, these are a set of Accelera. It's their new performance tire. But like I said, those just went on there 2 weeks ago. Brand spanking new. You can still see all the little niblets is on there. But yeah, they're all good. So now, wipe down these brakes. Wipe these down here. And you guys can see how beautiful these things are. They're gorgeous. But yep, those are for sale as well. 6-pot in the front, 380 millimeter. Come in the back. Wipe these down too. These brakes have less than 1,000 miles on them because I don't go nowhere. I just build shit. I like things to look good. And that's exactly what this car was, looking good. So yeah, 380 millimeter in the rear as well. 4-pot calipers. Come with the steel braided lines. Come with the adapters to fit all of that on here on the E46 M3. And those are for sale, guys. So probably want to know how much any of this stuff costs, right? We'll get to that in a second. Let me wipe down the wheels. All right, guys, so just kind of wipe them down. and brought them out here into the daylight so you can see. You can see, like I said, all original. All original, and all of them brand new tires. Brand spanking new tires on all 4 of them. That's Michelin Pilot Sports for the front. It's what, 235, 35, 19, and this is 275, 30, 19. Proper size for the M3. Like I said, these are the Accelera, the Phi 2 Performance Summer tires. So, I mean, you know, they actually work pretty well. They're not as expensive as the Pilot Sports, but they work pretty well. So, all 4 wheels, as I mentioned, are spotless. That one is spotless, that front. That one is spotless. That one is spotless. With a slight exception for this rear one. I caught one little scuff there one time, but it's fixable. I just, you know, never noticed it after. But that is actually the only blemish on all 4 wheels. But here's the price. All right, guys. So the brakes, they are, you know, $4 grand or best offer. I mean, if you live in Atlanta, I'll put them on for you, you know, at that price. But if you don't, you know, I get them off, package them up, ship them out to wherever you at. The wheels are 3,000 firm because one, most of you know, it's hard to find a set of square OEM CSL wheels, and when you do, it costs damn near $3 grand anyway without tires. So these have brand new tires, so price is 3,000 firm. The rear end, I am going to do another episode on the rear end where I'm going to actually pull the entire rear end out and just basically do a video on pulling the rear end out and probably putting a new one in. It is a lot of work. It does take some time, so I don't know how I'm going to compress that video, but I'm going to somehow compress that video and make something for you guys. Yeah, that's all the updates. As far as the entire car, like I said, I'm not exactly selling the car. You know, I'm just putting it back to stock. I'm not exactly selling it just yet because I might have the itch to do some track days. You know, I might buy some Olins. I was, you know, thinking about possibly buying some Olins and just running, you know, 18s on the track. With these brakes, you can't run 18s. You have to run 19s. So maybe I might do that. I don't know yet. We'll see future episodes because the car is pretty clean. You know, I did have the entire car resprayed with the OEM color. There's no nicks and knacks nowhere. This is a clean M3 inside and out. So yeah, and the other thing, guys, like I said, I'm starting a glove company. You know, with these nitrite. These are 6mm gloves. These things are super strong and stuff. Look forward to that coming in the future. So, you know, if you do work on cars, tattoos, or whatever, you know, obviously these are the kind of gloves that you want to be working with. Yeah, guys, drop your comments below. Let me know what you think. You know, let's share, let's talk below. If you are interested in any of this stuff, just drop your email and I'll actually reach out to you via email. And yeah, that's it, guys. Well, catch you on the next one. Peace. Thanks.